Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove Passkey on WhatsApp. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open WhatsApp. So once you open WhatsApp, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right. From here, you need to click on account and click on passkeys. From here, you need to click on revoke. And here you can see that you will no longer be able to sign in using this passkey and will have to use your previous sign in method. You can create a new passkey at any time. So then you simply need to click on revoke. So now you can see that passkey is removed. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.